I don't think just a blindfold's gonna help with that.
Oh, I was gonna say, I don't know.
You probably just haven't had a Olympia.
All right, now take her to your bedroom.
It's just
There's a tree. Up. There you go. There you go.
Whack it.
Whack it. It's right there.
Use the force.
Try it again. Everyone else. Go. Go.
Is this your first time with a piñata?
Nice.
Whoa! You almost took Steph off on that second.
Oh, no.
I'm way too drunk.
You're drunk?
gonna kill it now. Who gave it?
Baseball.
Oh, I thought you used to be able to score playing this sport.
Yes, Dad.
Womp womp womp. At least 3 more. She's from out of state. She needs the extra spin.
Sarcasm in Massachusetts.
Just pretend there's a package store nearby.
Use that northeast anger.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, ready? Hold on. Ready? That's it? Yep.
This is not T-ball. Whack it.
I can't.
Stop. Seriously. Alright, stop.
One and done. Call him Mr. One and Done.
Ow.
I was born there.
That feels so drunk.
It's over.
Oh shit.
I can say Worcester.
I would respect them more than Worcester.
I
That
respect
sounds
Worcester.
absolutely horrible. I think Worcester is much better.
Whenever I talk to like a telemarketer, you're from Worcester?
You gotta hold the stick.
There's no way I'm near the piñata.
Yes. There you go. You're touching the piñata. All right. Well, hold up. Run away, Steph.
I seriously thought I was facing that way.
Yeah. Until all the balls are gobbled up.
Okay.
And then we count them up. The winner has the most balls. Okay. The loser has the least amount of balls.
I like it.
However, the winner is really the only true winner. And the difference between the winner's amount of balls and everyone else's amount of balls.
I didn't get any.
Dude,
You got shut out?
yeah.
That's harsh.
I kicked ass this round.
You girls need to stop doing that.
I know, no doubt.
You're up now. Yes and yes. Oh shit.
Release the ball! I'm leaving.
See, why do you think
That's what Argentina's all about.